Alexa, start my day.
Good morning, and happy Friday. Congratulations on making it through the week. I never doubted you for a moment. Even way back on Monday morning, I knew you had it in you.
Was out of coffee this morning, so went down to the local bodega, which, if you're not from the north, that's just it's basically a convenience store or a gas station without the gas. They've got snacks in there. One of the main things that a bodega has is a deli, and they'll have boar's head meats, vegetables like lettuce and tomato and onion, and all the salad dressings and things like that. But there's usually a guy behind the counter that knows what he's doing. So it seems to be a little bit more of a treat than just getting a sandwich from Kroger even. They take some special time with it, and I think they see it as kind of an art or a craft. Maybe not, I may be overthinking it. It's just some guys back there cutting meat and slapping together sandwiches, but it seems to taste better here. Anyway, with the bacon, egg, and cheese, and if you can see that, it's a little bit later in the day. It's actually about 2 o'clock here, and they were already out of bagels. I got the last cinnamon bagel that they had, and that goes good with the bacon, egg, and cheese. It's kind of that sweet and savory mix. But so that's what I've got. It's really good. That's what I usually get there. For lunches, they have a pastrami and corned beef sandwich that's really good, but you have to get there again. You got to get there early because they run out of the fresh bread sometimes. Anyway, long story short, like I said, we're out of coffee, so this is getting me through, getting my day started here a little late on this Friday, and need to order some coffee, need to order some other things. And I got a message from FreshDirect where they're doing free shipping. I'm going to go through the process of placing the order, and then supposedly it's going to be delivered tomorrow. That's the other thing. With Amazon Prime now, you can get orders delivered in 2 hours. With FreshDirect, it takes them a little while longer to put that together, so you have to wait a day. Sometimes you have to wait 2 days, depending on what day you order. But we found it to be worth it, and so when the order delivers, I'll come back on and we'll kind of unbox everything and show you how it arrives, and figure out how long it actually took to get there. But so this is some of the order process. You can see here where I ordered the tuna fish. They have deals sometimes where, like right here, you'll see this any 2 grab-and-go deli salads for $7.50 or 1 for $4. So what I have my daughter do, she sends me messages on Facebook Messenger with links to what she wants, and then it makes it very easy just to add those to the cart. They've got a pretty good category or department listing here. They have kosher, they've got dairy, they have things for vegans. That's all set up pretty well. They have party platters, frozen selections, ice cream and treats, and then here's the beer and the wine and spirits. I guess you can actually order tequila and vodka on here if that interests you. Here's some of the meal items I was talking about. So this is a meal for one, and it's their ranchera chicken enchiladas, chicken raised without antibiotics. Okay, so I'm going to add that to the cart. $8.99. I mean, that's a little bit expensive for a grocery item, but that's a whole meal, so that's less than going out to eat. And these have generally tasted pretty good. Okay, this is an item that we've been waiting on for a long time to be back in stock, so we're excited to see how these taste. Cotton candy is one of my favorite treats, and if they've somehow made it healthy, I'm in. Okay, this is the last item on the list, the Fresh Direct Chicken Caesar Salad. So the total is $107.02. And now here's some options for delivery. Alright, so for this coupon to work, it has to be delivered tomorrow. And the only time available for delivery right now, tomorrow, it looks like this 9 to 11 window, and I'm fine with that. I'll be up then. That's fine. I'll do that to, to get the free shipping. And then you can choose any other day of the week. If you're willing to wait. But that's not too bad. That's, a little over 24-hour delivery. Okay, so here's everything we're ordering. And you can see at the bottom here, they still have the delivery fee of $5.99. Where it says or free, that's trying to get you to sign up for something else that I'm not interested in. But there is a place here to enter the promotional code. And again, it's Berry30, so I'll enter that here and see if that takes that $6 fee off. We'll click apply. Okay, enjoy your free delivery. So it did take that off. Now the total is $107.30, and we're ready to check out. So that's kind of it for placing the order. It's very similar to Amazon Prime Now. I like doing it on the laptop rather than the phone, just because I'm receiving the links from my daughter on what she wants. It just makes it easier for me that way, and you can see more on the screen. But I'm sure there's an app that you can order from as well. So we'll take another look when the order delivers and see how it comes, how it's packaged, make sure everything's in good shape, and see if it was on time. Says this Hurricane Florence is slamming the shore along North Carolina and South Carolina. I don't know if they hyped up the storm more than it actually was, in reality. I have a feeling if you're in North Carolina or South Carolina right now, it probably doesn't seem like hype to you. So I hope everyone out there is staying safe. It's now Saturday evening, 8:23, and the Fresh Direct order should be here within somewhere between an hour and 2 hours. I was looking back over the list of things that we bought, and most of it's healthy. There's a couple of things on there that probably don't fall in the healthy category. Got some ice cream, although I think it might be soy-based ice cream, which is pretty good if you get the right brand. Great news, the delivery driver just left for Fresh Direct and we got our order. So there's 2 bags. They actually include these bags when you buy a certain amount of food there. They're decent bags. I mean, you could take this to the beach with towels in it later. And then they put the frozen items in a separate little bag, and that's what this is. So we're going to put this in the freezer real quick, and then we're going to talk about cotton candy grapes. So as far as the temperature of the food, the frozen food items, this is still pretty firm, especially for the summertime. I would say they did a good job keeping this cold. The rest of this feels fine too. So the ice cream's not melted at all. That's great news for, you know, the kind of weather we've had. That's what these are supposed to taste like, just like cotton candy. When you bite into it, it's clearly, you know, it's sweeter than a normal grape, but it's the aftertaste that kind of hits you. That's when you're like, oh yeah, there's the cotton candy flavor. So they're good. I don't remember how much they were, but there's a decent sized bag of them. They taste like dessert. Pretty impressed with the way they package things, especially compared to Amazon Prime Now. Like when we get bananas from Amazon, they're just usually kind of thrown in there in the bag. You can see on these, you know, they put these in a pretty decent foam separator, and then the bananas are also in a bag. So that's going to help. They look pretty fresh too. They definitely look fresher than ones that we've gotten from Amazon before. So they take better care of the produce. You can see here the avocados are in a bag, the asparagus is in a bag, the onions are in a bag, the oranges and the lettuce. And I mean, it's all pretty quality product. Like these onions, that's a good size, no blemish onion, which is the way I like it. The asparagus looks good, and when you cook that down, I mean, that's a bunch of asparagus, so I think that'll work. And then, you know, they have all these, you know, their deli items. This is the tuna fish, and then there's some salad there that my daughter got. I'm gonna try this pesto pasta. There's the K-cups. These are about $8. I think it's got 12 in each one, so that'll last us a while. These are pretty expensive. I think these are about $2 a piece, but it's vegan, it's organic. So what do you expect, you know? They have these pre-made salads like this that they make up. This is a Caesar salad I got. The strawberries look good, the tomatoes look good. I'm happy with everything I see. So it's a thumbs up, Fresh Direct. This is the third time that we've ordered from Fresh Direct, and you know, I don't know what all cities that they deliver in. They definitely deliver in New York and Brooklyn. So I'm gonna put a link in the description where if you haven't ordered from them before and you use that link, they'll give you $25 off of a $100 purchase. So, you know, you're getting $100 worth of groceries for $75. Just click on that link when you sign up, and it'll give you the coupon right there. It's 10:25, so they were timely. They were certainly within the window of 9 to 11 that they said. But this has been sitting here for probably 20 minutes. So now we're going to put these away and have some dinner. I'm probably going to have the tuna fish. You know what, I'm probably not going to put that part in the vlog.